Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the rest pause method. So this rest pause method is a great tool to change a different stimulus to the muscles. And the way it's going to work is we're going to basically extend the set. So normally you would achieve a certain amount of reps in one set. Well, we're going to add intermittent spaces of rest, right, to achieve more reps, okay, and therefore cause more fatigue on the muscle. So it can be used depending on the rep range that you choose from more of a strength perspective or more a hypertrophy perspective, depending on, again, the rep range that you choose. I'm going to demonstrate it today with a push-up, but again, you could, depending on what equipment you have at home, you could apply it to different techniques as well. I will put more of those details in the show notes. So I'm going to demonstrate the rest pause method, the double rest pause method, and then the death by rest pause method, all with a push-up. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here we go, rest pause method with push-ups. All you need is a stopwatch, so you can do between 10 and 20 seconds rest between each micro set. I'm going to take 20 seconds rest in between. We're looking for full range of motion, good technique. I'm going to use a medium tempo. Okay, let's get started. Yeah. 2, 3. No, it was not 80. 10, so I'm starting my timer now, giving myself 20 seconds rest. Okay, you can give it a bit of a stretch out. So that was the first set or micro set. So rest pause, we're giving incomplete recovery, and we're giving it a go. In 3, 2, 1, again, full range of motion. That was one rest pause set. I'm going for the double method now. So I'm going to wait again 20 seconds and continue on. So it's been 2 micro sets done. Again, you can stretch it out. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 20 seconds is up. I'm going to continue on. Third micro. So that was 3 micro sets. That was a double rest pause method. This is going to be, as Christian Thibodeau calls it, death by rest pause. And we're going to achieve one more set to failure in 3, 2, and 1. As many as I got. Okay guys, so that was the rest pause method with a push-up. I will put more details in the description notes about how you can apply that to different exercises and as well as different implements. Again, great tool for if you don't have a lot of load, right? We can make things harder without adding load. Okay, so hopefully you can integrate that into your training at home. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please share. Thank you.